If you're on Kajabi but you're not using order bumps, you are missing out on a massive opportunity to increase your revenue for every course sale you make. In this video, I'm going to show you how easy order bumps are to set up, and I'm going to give you a case study from my own course where it increased my average order value by like a lot. So that's going to be in today's video. My name's Lane. I love to help digital entrepreneurs start and grow their online businesses on the best platform there is for online business, which is Kajabi. If you're not on Kajabi, be sure to use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get a 30-day free trial, 45-minute one-on-one Zoom call with me where we can talk about your business, talk about Kajabi, talk about how to get the best possible start on that platform. You get my exclusive course called the Kajabi Accelerator, which will show you exactly the first steps you need to take to make sure that everything is ready to go on Kajabi. And you get my 25K course launch email template. All that is yours to say thank you for using my link because it is an affiliate link. So when you use it, I do get a small commission. So thank you so much. lanesebring.com/Kajabi. Let's dive into order bumps. Now, order bumps are a very simple thing to add to your checkout page. So first, what I want to do is I want to show you what it looks like to the end user. So if we look at this page, this is the checkout page for my product over at Preaching Donkey called Killer Sermons Academy. This is the platinum version of it, so it's $397, and this is all the stuff that you need to know about Killer Sermons Academy. Now, before they get to this page, this is just the checkout page, they would have gone through a sales page. And this is that. This is the sales page. It's long form, and it gives all of the information they need to make a buying decision. Now, when they click on one of the options down here to buy, there's many buttons, but I want to get to the pricing options. So when they click right here on Add to Cart Platinum, they get to this page, and this is the checkout page. So this is just kind of a summary of everything they've heard. They put their coupon code if they have one, their email address, and their card number. Now, once all that's done, they have this little thing in between filling out their information and saying complete my purchase. And it's just this little order bump at Storytelling Secrets Masterclass. In this action-packed masterclass course, discover how to leverage the power of storytelling in sermons. We explore in depth this, bonus Q&A on storytelling, regular price $67 slashed, and now $47. So they can click this little button. That takes it from $397 to $444. So it increases the order value quite a bit. Now, one question you might have is how many people actually take this option? What I have found is that across the board through all of my courses, since I've added the order bumps, 4 out of 5 people actually take the option on the order bump. I had a little bit more luck with this option where it was priced at $67. I slashed that and said $47 for this purchase. That seems to help a little bit. When it was full price at $67, it didn't convert as well. But that's a pretty amazing thing that 4 out of 5 people, in my experience, when presented with this type of order bump, $400 product, $50 order bump, so it's a small percentage of the overall purchase, but they take it and they want it, and that's a pretty amazing thing. Now, let's talk about how do you set this up? Well, it's pretty easy. Inside of the checkout place, there's the page content, the design, the form fields. That's all this stuff, okay? Then there's a little button that says Order Bump. Present members with a product or service that can be added onto their purchase at checkout. Storytelling Secrets Masterclass is the one that I chose. Then you just get a text box, and you put in what you want it to say, hit save, and then boom, it's in there, and it's ready to go. So order bumps on Kajabi are actually incredibly simple, very straightforward, and if you're not using them, you totally should be. Now, a couple things that you can do to create an order bump. I chose to take one of the masterclasses from a membership site that I used to have that is no longer active. I took that masterclass, I added a little bit to it, added some bonus Q&A, and I packaged it together as a standalone course. And that course isn't sold anywhere else except for right here on this checkout page and attached to a couple other courses. So it makes it easy because this isn't something that somebody could just purchase on my site. It only exists as an order bump. It makes sense for me to do order bumps like that and do one-click upsells a little bit differently. So Kajabi also offers one-click upsells, which are, let's say they're buying this course, they put their credit card in, they hit purchase, then the next screen that they see is going to be an offer for another purchase. That's an upsell. So I might do that if somebody buys, say, my mini course, I might upsell to my flagship course and offer that in a one-click upsell, maybe at a discount. So those are the things that you can do kind of playing around with this. But order bumps are super simple. It's very likely that if you have a course, you could probably get an order bump built like today. You could record a lesson. You could put together a PDF with a bunch of like worksheets and some actions that they can take. You could put a companion workbook to the course as an order bump. Just some kind of added value at a low price that complements the course, and a lot of people will take you up on it, and it will increase your order value. In my case, from $397 to $447, when they do it, you take 4 out of 5 people doing that, increases the average order value by, I don't know what the math is, but it's good. And it serves them well. It's a great course, so they get kind of 2 in 1, and it helps to increase the overall revenue of the business. So there you go. If you're not on Kajabi yet, so you can use order bumps, be sure to use my link, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. And if you want to know more about how to put all this stuff together on Kajabi, I have a playlist of tutorials and walkthroughs right here. You can click on it. I'll see you in that playlist, and we'll talk more about all that you can do on Kajabi.